Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the USB-C charging port on a Samsung Galaxy S9 phone. The first thing we do is turn off the phone. The phone must be turned off. If it's on, you need to turn it off using the power button and the power off option from the pop-up menu. Next, we need a brush with flexible bristles about 2 centimeters long, so it can reach all the way into the port. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to soften the dirt, make it easier to clean, and after the whole process it will evaporate completely, leaving no trace behind, and also a piece of plastic like this. In our case, we have one printed on a 3D printer. You can also buy one like this on Allegro. It will help us so that if there's any dirt in the corners of the socket, it will simply allow us to remove that dirt from the socket. Since we've already turned off the phone earlier, now I'm soaking the toothbrush thoroughly. You can buy this toothbrush and the alcohol diffuser as a set on Allegro or Amazon. So we take the phone in our hand. Here we have the charging port. We insert the toothbrush as far in as it will go and then move it to the side all the way. And we make approximately 10 or even 15 repeated movements in one specific direction so that the dirt trapped inside gradually begins to soften and eventually starts to work its way out of the port after a few more tries. If you don't have such a brush and can't buy one, you can always use a toothbrush instead. It will just be less convenient to do this operation, and it might not be as long, so I'm not sure if you'll reach all the way into the port, but you can still use it. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, because if they're hard, they might scratch your phone. Once you've made about 15 strokes in one direction, now do it in the other direction. Do the same from the other side of the port. Insert the brush all the way in and move it in this direction now, so that the port is thoroughly cleaned. Again, about 10 to 15 strokes. If the port is dirtier, you can repeat this 2 or 3 times in each direction to clean it perfectly. After cleaning with the brush, take this little piece of plastic. Just remember, it has to be plastic, not metal, because metal could cause a short circuit and you could damage your phone. And slide it along the bottom of the port all the way to the end and try to pull it out. Do the same in the other direction. Go along the bottom of the port to the end and try to pull it out. And on the other side of the port, do the same. Go underneath all the way to the end and try to pull it out, and then do the same in the other direction. After the whole procedure, set the phone aside in its place on the table for about 10 or 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate before you start using it again. And after those 10 or 15 minutes, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.